Hi, my name is Andrew, and we're starting this channel, Clips Growing. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to learn tips and tricks and how to grow plants indoors and outdoors. My personal background is I've learned a bit about plants with my own research, a little bit of classes here and there growing up. On top of that, as far as actual crops are concerned, I've only actually planted one crop so far, and this is my second crop that we're growing today. Throughout this video, I want to go over the different types of plants, the different mediums that we can use, the different brands, along with grow lights or no grow lights with indoor gardening. Right now, we actually have a few plants already set up. One of them is actually right here. This is my avocado plant. I actually received this in the mail approximately 2 weeks ago. One thing about avocado plants, they don't like transplanting. It goes through a type of shock, loses all of its leaves, sometimes branches. It's actually recommended to go ahead and pull back all the leaves when you do transplant them. So it may look dead right now, but it's nice and green, and we're actually waiting for some new growth right now, and we'll cover that in another video at another time. Another setup we actually have quite a few plants inside growing right now, mostly because the area we're in right now, it's actually -5 degrees right now, as you can go ahead and see, which is not the ideal temperature for any plants. Right down here is one of my growing basins. I have carrots right here all the way around the rim. In the center, I have tomato plants, and as you can see, I use the seed starter for this center one right here. The different reviews that we want to go ahead and do is not just learn the types of plants and the parts of the plants that are actually growing, but right now I have a light on it, a grow light on it, to see if I can get it to actually produce its secondary leaves while we're kind of in the middle of winter right now. In another basin, I actually have some radishes. I also have some other tomatoes, two varieties of tomatoes going right now. We're also growing lettuces, two different spinaches, and we're actually growing various other plants. So, as far as that goes, probably in the next video, we'll go over the basics of a seed, what happens when it sprouts, and what we're looking for to make sure that it sets its roots. So until then, we'll go ahead and wait for that.